Hi guys, it's Joe here from Lings in Harleston, and today for you I have the Aprilia Tuono V4 factory. And what an awesome bike this is. Obviously with only 2,553 miles on the clock, one previous owner. This bike's in absolutely awesome condition, and as well the Aprilia exhaust sounds absolutely phenomenal. This bike does also have full Aprilia service history and is ready to hit the road. Also got the handguards on there as well, or the crash bars. So yeah, if this Aprilia Tuono interests you, give us a call today and make it yours, as I do not see it hanging around for too long at all. Give us a call, 01379 851 090.